I've been an internal auditor for 16 years, and I always knew that I wasn't the best. Because after each audit, I made new friends. And that is when I realized my real passion was to help people to solve problems and to make meaningful connections. I'm Elmarie from LIH Properties, powered by EXP. I've been in the real estate business now for 15 years, specializing in selling residential properties in Centurion. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that buying and selling properties is much more than bricks and mortar. It's about dreams, finances, and futures. I once had clients that had their property in the market for months, and by the time they contacted me, they were devastated and losing hope. I analyzed their property and the current market, and I helped them to set a market related price. I sold their property within 2 weeks. And that is why I love what I'm doing now. I get to help people to solve one of the biggest problems that they might have in their lives. And I get to know new people each day. I'm Elmarie from LIH Properties, powered by EXP. With my 15 years experience in the property market, I know what it takes to sell a property quickly and smoothly. And my passion and my dream is that each of my clients will feel comfortable and supported in their buying and selling process. If you are in the market to sell a property or buy a property, please get in contact with me. I would love to assist you to make this a smooth journey.